Hello, today I'm so excited to unbox Darn Good Yarn of the Month. Happy New Year! I'm so happy to be filming my very first video of 2019, and I'm going to be unboxing the Darn Good Yarn of the Month. Plus, let me get my magic wand here, and ta-da! I have one to give away as well, so stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can enter the giveaway to win this Darn Good Yarn of the Month box. I do just want to go ahead and mention that Darn Good Yarn did send me these two boxes, one to review and one to give away to y'all, so thank you very much, Darn Good Yarn. And I want to go ahead and mention as well that I've had a very bad case of the flu, so please forgive me if I sound a little nasally or a little hoarse. But I am feeling better, and I'm so happy to be here with y'all. Let me go ahead and tell you, Darn Good Yarn of the Month is $10 plus shipping, and if you use this code, you can get 15% off your entire order, which is really cool. And the Darn Good Yarn of the Month includes a premium skein of yarn, a crochet pattern, a knit pattern, and a free little goodie, which is really fun and exciting. With the Darn Good Yarn of the Month, you can skip a month at any time. Your Yarn Club subscription supports a small US-based business fueled by the passion to help others and keep you crafting with fun items. Your Yarn Club pack is packed with love by Darn Good Yarn's friends at Crossroads. They give jobs to adults with developmental disabilities, so you're supporting another great organization too. Darn Good Yarn is celebrating 10 years of business. It was started by Nicole and it's still a small business, but they have saved over 1 million pounds of material waste and they help create hundreds of sustainable jobs. Darn Good Yarn was started from 2 boxes of recycled silk yarn that Nicole stored in a corner of her spare bedroom. She soon learned that the people who make this yarn needed a better way to make a better living. Falling back on her college education and experience in the Air Force, she realized that she could potentially bridge that gap and provide them with opportunity for a better life. Nicole has made it her mission to show the world just how important these fun and quirky yarns are. It takes a special person to love their unique qualities. Darn Good Yarn isn't your run-of-the-mill yarn. There are special stories of hard work, love, and creativity wrapped into everything you find at Darn Good Yarn. From the artisan to the person who packs the orders, Darn Good Yarn is fueled by infusing good into all parts of their business. Besides the monthly yarn club, they also sell individual skeins of yarn, knit and crochet kits, clothing, and jewelry. So let's go ahead and open this box and see what's in it. Ooh, some pretty yarn. Okay, first off is the yarn. And look how pretty it is. It's beautiful rainbow colors and it's very soft. And it smells good. This is Darn Good Yarn Worsted Weight Silk. It is a roving yarn and it's called Watercolors. Silky soft and deliciously colorful, this single ply yarn glides through stitches. It's hand spun and hand dyed by women in India. It's beautiful for you and for our global community. It's 50 grams and that's 75 yards. And it is a medium 4-weight yarn. Yeah. And it's very pretty. Okay, the extra little goodie that it came with is some pretty wooden knitting needles that have some purple on it, very, very pretty, and a crochet hook that's purple and wooden colored. Let's go ahead and get these out. We'll go ahead and get out the crochet hook. Ooh. You can see it's very lightweight and pretty. It is a size 8.5 millimeter crochet hook, and then the knitting needles, I'll go ahead and pull those out too. Might as well. Okay, and the knitting needles, as you can see, they're very pretty too, are also a US 8.5 millimeter. So you get knitting needles and a crochet hook as the little free goodie in this box. And then there's a little booklet, and And if you read it, it says, our mission, start at love, means being compassionate with the intent to make a positive change in the universe. We believe the application of starting at love with everything you do leads to a happier world. Join us. So that's really cool. Really nice message to see at the beginning of this. Okay, and then right here at the beginning of the booklet also it says, hi there, my name is Nicole, and if you're new to Darn Good Yarn, as the owner I would love to say welcome. Darn Good Yarn is a special little company. We are a small team fueled with the passion to help others and the environment through what we love, yarn. So in the booklet it also shows you the information about the yarn. It tells you about the gift, which is the ombre knitting needles and crochet hooks. Says that they are handcrafted and dyed our favorite DGY purple by our cooperatives in India. And then there is a Snow Big Deal cow, and that is the knitting pattern. That's really cute. And then also there's a Ripples neckwear, and that is the crochet pattern, and that is really cute as well. Then there's also a little bit of information on your next box, and if you want to skip a month, and information about the shipping and everything like that. Now for the giveaway. How to enter. All you have to do is comment below with your New Year's resolution. If you don't have any resolutions or you can't think of one right now, then just comment on how you found my YouTube channel and how long that you've been watching. I'm so happy to have made this video for y'all, and I hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please comment below or give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can keep watching my videos. I hope that y'all are having a wonderful day, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful 2019. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!